Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. We are out and about. I got Ezra back here and we are on our way to go into Costco. We are just going to be picking up some lunch stuff and I have one important task to do and I'll let you know more about that. But let's go. So we definitely have like the best paper towels and toilet papers that you can buy. It is such a great thing to stock up on. And look at how much they have. Anybody need some toilet paper? That could take care of a city. Don't you think, Ez? That's a lot of toilet paper, huh? We just need some paper towels. Ooh, it's cold! Gotta get some refrigerated items. All better?
Yeah, but it was hot in there.
It was not hot in there.
Yeah, it was.
So the whole reason we came to Costco was because I needed to go to the photo department because I purchased an online print and I heard that going to Costco and getting them poster size is a really good idea. And I have to admit, they are only $6.99 each. And it was like a 16 by 20. So definitely something to remember. Those big frames, those big prints.
It's really good.
It's really good.
And it looks cool.
And I let him help pick it out. What is it?
A butterfly.
It's a butterfly. It's gonna be so cool. All right, we're back. So I wanted to tell you that we spent about $160. Not too bad, but I did have to get some stuff for our juicing. We're still going strong. So, you know, every couple weeks or so, we probably have to do another Costco haul. But we were out of paper towels, and you guys, I love these paper towels. When I cut them in half, they have like the big sheets, the half sheets, but they're big. They are perfect size if I cut those in half for my preschoolers to have snack. Or I have different materials in my classroom, like a color mixing where they take little droplets of water and they like mix them up. And then they put those half size paper towels, so quarter size, and it makes like this cute little rainbow. It's like the perfect size. I love Costco paper towels. But let me show you what we got. So this time I bought the organic baby spinach. I sometimes get this, and I think this is going to actually work out better for our juicing because I will use a whole one of these with some of these organic, about a handful of these organic celery sticks and one cucumber. Plus I have some apples that I'll show you. So the baby spinach was $3.29 for one container. The organic celery sticks were $4.49. The cucumbers were $5.99 and the grapes were $6.49. I might have to use Life as We Gomez's cleaning methods, Chelsea, to clean those up. That'll be a really great thing. These organic apples, which I would use around 6 or 7 in each, probably more 6 in the green smoothies. I'll use 4 with the ones with the carrots. Those organic apples are $4.49. And then I got 2 bags of the organic carrots. $3.99. $3.99. And then I just got some bananas. They were like $1.29. So one of the things I love about Costco is their 2-pound cheeses. These are, they've actually increased a little bit in price. These used to be in the $4 range, but now they're about $5.29, $5.39-ish. And so I like having these just on hand for snacking or of course for recipes. I also got the sliced medium cheddar for Kobe sandwiches. In my sandwiches, I do love a medium cheddar slice. He really likes this brand, and this one was about $9.50, $9.99, around there. This weekend, I'll be making lots of jam because we're nearly out. This big bag was about $10. So I like to make my own freezer jam. I just let these thaw out. I add about 2/3 of a cup of sugar, a little bit of lemon juice, and microwave it for 8 minutes. And that's it. I mean, I smash it all up and mix it really well. 8 minutes, check on it halfway, give it a good stir. The best jam, really, we love it. Okay, so while we were going down the bread aisle, I had to get, of course, Grandma Sycamore, $4.69 for 2. I normally buy them on sale at my local store for like $3. So you can see quite a difference in price to just go to Costco and get the double pack. But down that aisle, I let Ezra pick something different. We've never bought these before, so if you have had them, let me know if you like them. These are chocolate-filled crepes, you guys. So there's like a Nutella type chocolate in the center. Can't go wrong, right? This seems like a really nice little snack or a breakfast item. These were $6.49 and there are 20 of them individually wrapped. So they could just even throw these in their lunch boxes. I thought it was a win. Now there was some good sales. This was like $6 for, look at 3 packs of turkey, and I really like these. So I'll probably put 2 of them into the freezer and then we'll just use the one between Jonas and I. Another great sale was their peanut butter. I had to get peanut butter anyways, and this was about $6.50. So 2-pack. Wow, these are the big ones too. But there were then the things that weren't on sale. Ezra, he loves these go-go squeezes, and this is like $15. And right next to it is just the Kirkland brand applesauces, which I was like, don't you want the applesauce? And that's okay. These are flavored, that he loves these flavors, and I love that it's organic. So I always know that when he's eating some of these, I feel really good about it. So the reason I went there, and I think I already said it, was to get the prints. So another thing that I got were these command strips because I can't wait to put them up. And I got these towels. There are 2 hand towels and then 2 washcloths, and they were $10. But I love the color and the thickness. So downstairs, what I ended up doing, they had a big towel bar, and it's like not even a half bath. I mean, it's just a toilet room. So when I had my little preschoolers washing their hands, they would drip a lot of water just walking like just to across the room just to dry their hands. So I placed a little hand towel bar right next to the sink. So now less drips, but I needed some more hand towels. I only had 2, so now I have 4. So you guys, do you want to see the prints? They look so cute. I can't wait. So let me show you the prints. These are 16 by 20. And it's in a 2-part, so it's kind of like split in half. And it's going to be a double. I'm going to put it downstairs on a gallery wall. And if you've been watching, last week I found some frames at the thrift store that I've painted. So those will all be part. So I purchased this print, and you guys, it's like a beautiful, okay, that's half. So here's the other half. This was like $20 just to get the print itself, which is a really good price. And then I just went and got these printed out for $6.99 each one. And so you guys, I'm loving this idea. So it's fairly inexpensive to get a print and then just do the digital download and then head over to Costco. Who knew? You guys probably knew. I'm just late to the game, I'm sure. So thanks so much for coming to the channel today and watching this Costco haul where we were loading up on some snacks and some juice items, or some lunch and some juice items. And of course, I had to get the good prints. So thanks so much again for stopping by. Give the video a thumbs up and stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone. Just had to show what they look like. Do you like them, Ez?
Yeah.
Costco for the win.